Alrighty, hello everybody. This machine might look a little familiar. We are at Splash Car Wash, and this is an Accutrac 360. Last time we were in the left bay, over 2 years ago. I am back. I went through a Ryko Soft Gloss Max 5. It ended up being terrible. So, we are going to go through this Petit Accutrac 360. Also, nice Audi. Now, please give me a minute while I pay. Okay. They changed the pay station since I was here last time. Last time they had a system called like Flex Code or something like that. You could enter, go to a kiosk and actually swipe your card once, and you would just go around to all the various different machines and enter your code. But this time, it's a little different. I do believe that these replaced some Karcher touch-free machines, which would have been very cool to see, but this machine's cool as well. Oh, that is bright. Nice LED strip up there. One on the machine. Just check everything. Also, this wash was $16. So much foam, it's hard to see anything. And it just got way dark in here. Wow, the whole van is shaking. Spot for rents already? The dryers didn't do such a great job, but whatever. Looks like they replaced whatever the flex code thing was with these new card readers. Just gonna go creep into this bay, because why not? Oh yeah, look at that. This is the kiosk right here that you would pay into. But it doesn't look like that system's active anymore. So, I know I'm going the wrong way, but... Anyways, I'm glad to see that the Accutracs are still alive and well. And, well, thank you very much for watching. That'll be all.